so we're in the main dining room for breakfast with that amazing light installation.
What would it take for you to try a snail?
It looks like Shrek's backyard.
Don't give up. Really nice. God, it's really nice. You need to try that.
Welcome to a new vlog. Oh, I'm knackered from running. We've got up quite late. We woke up quite late after our late night last night, and we're rushing for breakfast.
28 minutes till it's finished.
Before the Grand Cuvée finishes. So come along to breakfast with us. All the people leaving the ship this morning. We are in the Orkney Islands. Hopefully we're in time for a nice breakfast at Grand Cuvée. Oh, it's closed.
Lower level.
Lower level. We're usually a bit more organised than this, but we had a late night last night, having some drinks with our friends. Ah, there we go. Everything's open. Thank you. Right. We've had time to catch our breath now, so we're in the main dining room for breakfast with that amazing light installation.
Which are on today as well.
Yeah, yeah, it's much brighter. So this is the breakfast menu in Grand Cuvée. Is it Cuvée or Cuvée? So
Monsieur Cuvée.
Cuvée.
The Downton film.
Yeah. I'm going for freshly scrambled eggs, bacon and toast. So a quick look at the menu for anybody that wants to have a look. You can pause it. Eggs and omelettes, the griddle, so you can get pancakes, waffles, cold and hot cereals, beverages, the bakery for muffins and croissants, and the pantry if you want to be healthy, which I said I was going to be before we got on board, and I've been nothing like healthy.
You can get all that as well in the Ocean View Cafe, plus a lot more.
I forgot about the Ocean View Cafe. Yeah, we'll have to. Yeah, we did that.
One morning.
Yeah. So we've asked for freshly squeezed orange juice, which they will go from and get it from a different bar. So basically, anything you ask for, they can usually get you from somewhere. You don't have to get everything from the menu.
I've just ordered the entire contents of what you need to make the Market Street Diner in Celebration replica breakfast. So he's gone to get it.
Yeah.
So let's start it. Right, let's see if this is half and half. You have to tell when it
it
hits.
is. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Get some in my cup as well, please.
Copy.
Right, breakfast has arrived. I've got scrambled eggs and toast and American bacon. Nick has got his bagel, cream cheese and American bacon and sausages. A lot of people on our Instagram yesterday said those sausages don't look very nice, but they're actually really nice, aren't they?
Really good.
Building your bagel. Now they've just come back and said they don't actually have cinnamon bagels, so
we want the onion.
it's onion. And we're also getting a plain bagel as well.
Now, they are delicious. They're just like sausage patties, but in sausage form.
Yeah.
That's not so nice because it's not applewood. It's kind of, it tastes fatty.
Yeah,
Usually
well, it's
in
American
you
crispy
get like
bacon.
Smoky bacon. That's like a fatty, plain bacon. So I'm not so keen on that, but that's definitely a good replica. So next to me is the biggest wine rack I've ever seen in my entire life. You actually walk inside. It's 2 floors. There's another floor there. And it's wine up across 2 floors. So the 2 dining rooms, there's all these wines. And how the hell you get a bottle of wine out that top up there, I have no idea. But every single one almost seems rammed. And then there's like a walkway inside. So presumably somewhere you get through these bars with a door. But it's absolutely incredible. It's actually more like a chandelier than a wine rack. Right, so we are docked this morning in the Orkney Islands, Kirkwall, Which is over there on the left, but
yeah, it's a little breezy. We've decided not to get off the ship today because we got off yesterday, and look at it in on top of here, nobody around.
For a sunbed?
Nobody around whatsoever. So port days are great if you just want to chillax, relax.
You get the access to all the facilities.
There's 2 hot tubs there with nobody in them. So
there's like 6 people around there in total.
Yeah, so
nobody up here.
If you do want to get off here at Kirkwall, this morning when I was looking out, there were loads of coaches and trips going off here, and I guess the bus takes you around there into that town there, I imagine. But at the moment we've no plans to get off. We're having a full lap of the walking strip.
This is what the red thing is.
Yeah, just to burn off as breakfast. How many times do you think we'd have to go around for that?
Couple of 100.
Right, we're on top deck, just checking out the Lawn Club Grill as we are eating here later in the week. So it's kind of outside, but also shielded.
Which basically, it is outside if you look at it.
Yeah.
It's covered from the rain, but there's still, all the tops are open and the glass is open, and these canapes here, not canapes. Canopies. These canopies are currently down, but you can have them open if it's nice and warm.
So let's hope it's nice and warm when we come for our meal. And there's a big screen out there, which I think they show films there, don't they?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. The other day they were showing Disney's Soul. Right, we made our way back to the room. The ship is nice and quiet, so Nick is going to do a walking tour on the GoPro, which will be a separate video. And I'm going to do a few bits and bats, and then we're going to go for a coffee at Cafe Al Bacchio. Ooh, lemon tart. And just like that, we're back. We have just done a walk around of the ship on the GoPro. I've done a bit of a walk and talk around as well, so you can see them probably on the Lodge Guys extras, or maybe on this channel. You'll see, but I'll let you guys know. So we've burnt off some calories. So we're going to go for a coffee.
Yeah.
At Cafe Al Bacchio. It did look very busy, but we'll just go up there. And tonight we have Abba Mania at 10:30 in. I think it's in the Sky Lounge. So I'm going to need a nap this afternoon because Nick really wants to do that. And there's an Abba trivia tonight as well. So we're going to go chill, then probably back for a nap, so we can stay awake tonight for Abba. Down to deck 5. Looks like they're setting up for some music later on. Deck 5, and I'm hoping Cafe Al Bacchio has got a little bit quieter because it was rammed before. Oh, there's some seats here. Back in our favourite place for coffee. I've got a nice flat white. I wasn't sure if they're going to know what flat whites were, with it being an American ship, but they do.
They've adapted to the British coffee maker, definitely.
So what have you got here?
Decaf cappuccino with whole milk and cinnamon.
And 2 giant cookies for yourself?
Well, I had one. I ordered one, but she brought 2. She probably thought, I know what he's like, he'll change his mind.
That's true. Just working off some of his breakfast from a while back, and that cookie that we just had. And around the walking track, it's very quiet around here, so we might go back, get stuff. What do you think?
Solarium hot tub?
Solarium hot tub, or even one of these outdoor hot tubs.
No, because it's a bit chilly in the winter.
It's slightly chilly. In the solarium hot tub, no kids can go in until 5 PM, so it is an adults only inside. And
It's so hot as well.
might partake in a little gin and tonic as well, or something like that.
No. Don't tell me you're hungry.
I'm peckish.
I thought so.
And we're going to Ocean View Cafe for a light snack, and then a little nap before Abba and a meal tonight. Well, I'm going to do that anyway, so it's up to you if you want to or not. Just deciding what I want. Ooh, roast potatoes with vegetables do look nice. Beef goulash, grilled fish in creamy mustard sauce. Oh no, that's not that. That's tilapia. Have you seen what you want?
You still make food?
Some mashed potato, jerk chicken, steamed vegetables. I think I'll probably get something from over here. Bit of pasta. Oh, look at that. Pasta with meatballs, maybe?
Is that the pasta sauce for it then?
Yeah, I presume so. Baked Italian sausages, jalapeno.
Oh no.
I think I'm going to go for a hoisin duck salad wrap. What you got? What you got?
Parmesan chicken, carrots, and a tomato, basil and mozzarella sandwich.
Yours looks more interesting than mine, although
Yours looks a bit bland.
hoisin duck and salad.
Have you got me to drink?
No, that's mine. Iced tea. I'll come get your own drink. Says you're right.
It tastes of nothing.
Whatever. On his way again. Next stop is Glasgow in a couple of days. Tomorrow's a sea day. So goodbye Kirkwall. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Where are we
Going
off?
for a drink first. I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry?
No, because we've been scoffing sandwiches about an hour ago.
One bloody Marvin.
Come on.
Right, so we're in the craft and social bar. We've just had 2 gins. We've actually had quite a stressful afternoon. We've got some work-related stuff. Oh, look, Buzz-eyed there. We've had some work-related stuff to sort out. Well, I have. Lee had a nana nap. I sorted it out on my hands and knees on the floor with a flaky internet connection.
If you wanted me to go to this Abba Mania sing-along tonight, I needed a nap.
You said you didn't even sleep because I was making too much noise.
7:30.
We haven't even eaten yet.
We've got
I
it.
want snails. You can try a snail for the vlog.
I
So-
will not be having a snail.
We're going to go to the Grand Cuvée restaurant.
Why are you looking at the
I've no idea. I'm just looking at my eyes crossed because every time I look at the camera, I look Buzz-eyed.
Hold it.
Why don't you hold it rather than just holding your glass?
Thankfully, I look alright.
Right, we're gonna finish this gin, our second gin, and then go into the Grand Cuvée.
I'm not sure you can see it as well, but...
We're not bothered.
No.
His hair's growing back.
I'm trying to talk over this music.
Yeah, but you're stuttering. Quickly,
My hair
keep talking.
is growing
I've got to
back.
keep the music talking.
Lots of new hairs
Lots
coming.
of new hairs. It's still bald.
Grand Cuvée for lunch tonight. Dinner, should I say. I am very hungry now. No, I'm hoping for...
To try one.
Get lost with your snails. I'm hoping for some Yorkie pudding.
Right, we've got his little buzzer. So sooner or later, when there was a massive queue for the tables, so probably about a 30-minute wait. So we're going to grab a martini in the martini bar. It's really busy in here tonight. Really busy. Let me just show you around. Everybody wants a martini. We've got a singer downstairs that. Oh yeah, she's actually singing now. She was just doing like covers, well, not even covers really, but it wasn't even a singer. It was just a record that was playing.
I don't think we'll get a table here.
I don't care about a table. I just want a martini.
Just got a mint chocolate martini while we wait for our table to be ready. And Nick asked for a... Did you ask for a chocolate martini? But it looks like they've brought an espresso martini by mistake.
I'm blobbing tits off the
Yeah, so he didn't want to drink that because it was too jittery, so it looks like I'm drinking it. At least it'll keep me awake for Abba. I've managed to spill it all over the table.
Well, it wouldn't be you if you didn't smell it.
Nick's drinks arrived and he's just thrown it all over himself.
Bloody thing. Stupid small glasses, that's what it is. What would it take for you to try a snail?
Couple of bottles of champagne.
Well, you've already had quite a few martinis. Just try one.
No,
Go on.
No, wait.
I'm going to order them. So if you want to know what snails are, this is it. Escargots à la bourguignon. Basically snails in garlic sauce. I'm actually going to get spinach and ricotta ravioli, followed by Baroli braised beef short ribs. But I'm going to get them extra, just because I want to try them. And I want to record Lee vlogging. I want to vlog Lee trying them as well. Careful with that bread.
As Masha would say.
Be scared, be very scared. So I've ordered the snails, I've ordered this ravioli starter, and Lee just had a long conversation with the waitress about whether the meat got bones in it.
Yeah, because I'm very social, so I talk to people.
No, you're not, you've had a drink and that's why.
Yeah. I was asking, I wanted a normal piece of beef with the Yorkshire pudding.
No, what he said is, have you got a slab of meat? And does this have bones in it? And she says, we don't serve meat with bones in it. He went, oh, I'll have that then. Yeah.
Right, so we've both got ravioli. Get it to focus there. Oh my god. But Nick ordered snails too.
They're small, they're not garden snails.
It looks like Shrek's backyard.
Don't give up. It's a small one.
Oh my god.
Really nice. God, it's really nice. You need to try that. It's not what you think. Honest to God, you're going to like this.
It comes with
It's
its own
really
snail's
garlic.
fork.
It's very, very garlicky.
Oh my god.
The green is obviously just pesto and basil and garlic. They are really nice.
It's not chewy at all.
No, it's not. Just try not to think about the shell and the garden.
Stop it. Not bad. Not bad.
It's not bad actually
I
at
want a bit
all.
more though, but it's alright. So I tried one snail. Nick's had the lot.
They're actually not as bad as... If you can get over the fact that what they are, they don't taste anything different to mussels.
They're not very chewy.
Garlic sauce is delicious.
Yeah, that's the only thing that makes them nice, the sauce.
The only thing that I didn't like is one of them had a big wiggly bit dangling off it.
Poo.
Zoop.
Poo. It's intestines and poo.
No,
You've just
it's
eaten poo.
I'm not eating
snail poo. It is snail poo.
not.
You've had snail poo.
Oh my god, that looks so delicious.
This looks amazing.
Shall we share?
No, we shall not share because you'll look shit.
It just looks like something a dog would eat.
This looks so nice.
I'm sure it tastes delicious. Irish stew is not supposed to have lots of colour, but that looks so rich and red.
Let me just try it.
Well, I can't. I've got no knives and forks. Thank you. Save me half.
Pie.
A Fray Bentos pie? You're not selling it.
Very nice.
Save me some. Mmm. That looks delicious, but not as delicious as mine. New York style cheesecake with a caramel sauce. It's quite a tangy caramel sauce. And then a decaf coffee with a shot of Baileys in and some vanilla ice cream.
Lovely.
And then we're going to watch Mamma Mia, aren't we? No, we're not.
We're
You're not. Abba Mania, not Mamma Mia. Fart. So we're going to the Sky Lounge, deck 14, to watch Abba. And then Lee can go to bed because he's been moaning since 9 o'clock. He's tired.
I'm tired. I'm having water now. I don't know what to drink.
Does that affect your hips?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's absolutely rammed in here, and that's even before the show started. Lee, get a drink at bar from me. And everybody else is up, and Lee's sat there on his backside and won't get up and dance. And then after midnight, look at him, sat on his backside. Come on. Right, Lee's getting up. Let's see if he can do this. Come on, Lee, put some movement into it. Don't just stand there. Oh, we're tired now.
Tired.
Tired. I was going to say hungry, but we're not hungry.
Not hungry at all. Just tired.
That was good. That was the first bit.
That was my best night so far.
Mine too. I like the entertainment. I like the atmosphere. Or the lift here. I like the atmosphere. And
Unless you want to go to Cafe Del Macchio.
oh, no, I'm not going again. I'm sick of eating. To be honest, I'll be glad when we're going to get off because we just food. It's like when you go to Florida and you just eat, and then when you get home you just want to not eat.
Salads when we get back there.
Can I have salad on here?
Eat salad, yeah, what is that?
Right, then tomorrow's a salad day. Right, let's see us find our way back now. Let's sit in there.
I don't mind.
Well, there's only one chair anyway, you can't. Right, bye. We're almost back at the room. We've been walking for about 20 minutes. We actually got off the wrong set of lifts. So we've walked down this huge corridor, like the one behind me, ×2, and we're almost at the end. So we're gonna finish the vlog now, guys. So we don't know how long it's been today, but it's been quite fun. Love doing the Abba bit. Bit strange dancing among people with no masks on. I mean, there was actually one person with a mask on whilst dancing, which was a bit weird.
It felt normal for the first time in 2 years.
It did.
It also felt like, oh, should we be doing this? Should we do it? But you only live once, we're double jabbed, so
every day's best.
And
So,
thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button.
Please drunk, as you can tell.
Drop us a comment below. We read all comments, even when we're on holiday on a cruise ship. And we'll see you on the next vlog.
Bye for now.